Tired of throwing away broken items? Wouldn't it be great to fix things instead of discarding them? E-waste and landfill overflow are rising. Meet FixNet, an AI-powered platform that connects you with local repair pros. Get instant tips and troubleshoot your issues with ease. How it works. With FixNet, upload a photo or describe your problem. AI analyzes it and suggests nearby services or DIY tips. Plus, a rating system ensures quality and trust in repair services. Using FixNet, you'll experience sustainability by reducing e-waste, cost savings on repairs, increased visibility for local repair experts. Sounds exciting? Repair, reuse, restore.